Hi, this is your host, and this is our channel. Our body does some strange things. Sometimes when we are extremely cold, our fingers and our noses turn white, or we sweat buckets when we are scared or nervous. One of the weirdest things that our body does is that it gives us goosebumps. So why do we get goosebumps? Welcome to Science Explained, where we simplify the science behind your everyday life. Today's question: why do we get goosebumps? Have you ever been listening to a sad song or watching a scary movie when our body gets cold? Our body will try to keep the heat in by increasing the amount of goosebumps. This is because each goosebump has a tiny blood vessel at its base, and helping you to focus on what is going on around you. If you liked this video, you might enjoy another video we did on why humans have nipples. Like, share, and subscribe to Science Explained for more fun science videos. And hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. And when this blood vessel gets larger, it brings more warm blood closer to the surface of the skin. This helps to radiate heat from the body and keep it warm. Similarly, when our body gets hot, our body will try to cool itself down by decreasing the amount of goosebumps. This is because each goosebump has a tiny sweat gland at its base. And when these sweat glands release sweat, it evaporates off the skin and takes heat with it. So by decreasing the amount of goosebumps, our body is able to cool itself down and maintain a normal body temperature. In animals, this response makes their fur puff up, helping to trap heat or make themselves look bigger to predators. And when these nerve endings are stimulated, they send signals to the brain that help us to perceive touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. So by increasing the amount of goosebumps, our body is able to become more aware of what is happening around it. This is especially important when we are doing something risky or dangerous, such as climbing or fighting. Humans don't have thick fur anymore, but we kept the reflex. You might be wondering then, why would we have kept this trait if it no longer serves a purpose? Well, it turns out that our ancestors probably had thicker coats of hair than we do today. But even with less body hair, we still get goosebumps. And although they aren't much used in keeping us warm, they can still be a sign of an emotional response, such as fear or sadness. So it seems that our ancestors evolved to have goosebumps in order to regulate their body temperature. But why do we still get them today? Well, it turns out that there is still a purpose to this ancient adaptation. And all of a sudden you feel a chill go down your spine and small bumps appear on your skin? Adrenaline makes your heart rate go up and your muscles tense up. This is so that if you were to encounter a dangerous animal, your body would be ready to run away or fight back. So even though getting goosebumps doesn't make you stronger or faster, it is a way for your body to prepare you for action. When you get goosebumps, your body is also releasing a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that helps to suppress inflammation and pain. It also helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. So not only do goosebumps help to prepare your body for action, but they also help to calm you down and focus your attention on what is happening around you. This strange phenomenon is known as goosebumps, or in technical terms, piloerection. But why do we get goosebumps? Well, like most things in biology, the answer is evolution. Goosebumps are a reflex, an involuntary and automatic response to stimuli. When you get goosebumps, your body is releasing adrenaline, a hormone that is associated with the fight or flight response. Another reason why we get goosebumps is to increase our surface area to volume ratio. Finally, the last reason why we get goosebumps is to increase our sensory awareness. Each goosebump has a nerve ending at its tip, so the next time you get goosebumps, remember that it is your body's way of preparing you for action, cooling itself down.